Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu with cream cheese. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 8 ounces of mascarpone, 4 large egg yolks, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget about 1.5 cups of strong brewed coffee, cooled, and about 2 dozen ladyfingers. A touch of cocoa powder for dusting will complete this delightful dessert. Now, let's create that luscious cream cheese filling. In a large bowl, beat the softened cream cheese and mascarpone together until they are wonderfully smooth and creamy. In a separate bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks with half a cup of sugar until the mixture becomes light, pale, and fluffy. Carefully fold this egg mixture into your cream cheese blend until everything is perfectly combined and smooth. It's time to assemble our tiramisu masterpiece. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, making sure not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread half of your creamy cheese mixture evenly over this layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of dipped ladyfingers, and then top with the remaining cream cheese filling. Almost there. Once your tiramisu is fully assembled, cover it tightly with plastic wrap. Place it in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and ensures the dessert sets perfectly. Just before serving, dust generously with cocoa powder. Then, slice and savor your delicious homemade cream cheese tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.